A couple faces a minor disagreement and learns a 5-second pause before replying, reduces defensiveness and invites honest sharing, and reduces misreads that fuel small fights. They ask reflective questions like "what happened from your point of view?" to replace blame with clearer understanding, and create space for listening. Experts say calmly mirroring emotions helps partners feel seen, turning a heated moment into collaborative problem solving, even when stress is high. Over weeks, apologies framed around impact, not intent, rebuild trust faster than grand promises, cementing consistent progress without drifting into self-justification. The takeaway: pause, ask, mirror, own impact, and move forward towards stronger, more secure relationship.